Our Wholesale Cash Flow Intelligence turns a distributor's raw sales, inventory, and invoice data into one clear, forward-looking cash flow forecast with automated risk alerts and financing comparisons. The data layer is built on two managed AWS databases in a staging to source of truth pipeline. DynamoDB functions as the raw ingestion layer. Every uploaded record is written as is, partitioned by company ID for multi-tenant isolation before any transformation occurs. An ETL process then queries that partition, deduplicates and normalizes the records, and writes typed relational data into Aurora Postgres, accessed through the RDS Data API. This removes the need for a persistent VPC connection, which is what allows the application to run fully serverless on Vercel. Aurora functions as the system of record. Every downstream consumer, the dashboard, the forecasting engine, and each AI agent queries this relational schema directly. The raw staging table is never read at runtime. Here's the live app, logging in and starting from an empty dashboard. I'll upload 4 files directly: sales, inventory, invoices, and payables, and the dashboard populates instantly. The core feature is a 90-day cash flow forecast. It automatically flags risk, a projected cash break date, a cluster of large outflows, and overdue receivables that, if collected, would close the gap. The inventory section flags dead stock, SKUs in the lowest sales velocity tier, that are tying up cash and getting steep markdown discounts to move. Purchasing recommendations rank every SKU A through D by sales velocity. Clicking into a tier shows the detail behind each recommendation, and the whole list exports straight to CSV for the buying team. Receivables are ranked by priority score. Here's a critical overdue invoice, with the amount, days overdue, and that customer's payment history factored in. Payables get the same overdue tracking treatment, just on the outflow side. When I enter a $200,000 gap, 3 real financing options come back: a bank loan, liquidating debt stock, or factoring receivables, ranked by actual cost. The next development phase replaces manual file upload with direct ERP connectors, including NetSuite's SuiteTalk API, SAP Business One's Service Layer, and the QuickBooks Online API, syncing sales, inventory, and invoice records through webhooks instead of batch files. Purchasing recommendations would write back as draft purchase orders inside the connected ERP, and a banking API integration, such as Plaid, would reconcile the forecast daily against actual account balances, closing the loop between projected and real cash position. That's Wholesale Cash Flow Intelligence, DynamoDB, and Aurora, turning raw operational data into real financial decisions. Deployed on Vercel. Thank you for watching.